Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. This is Farmer Angel and here with the channel Fruits for the Youths. Now peeps, I am here going on the farm. It has been 2 weeks and a few days since the hurricane has passed. And now it's my first time ever going back on the farm to do some work. So stick around and see what's up with us on the farm today. Now it's been a hectic past 2 weeks, peeps. You know, when all your, pretty much your livelihood was taken away by a natural disaster. We know we can't just sit around, we have to weed and come again. There's no money to employ any workers now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. And I have to do it the smart way. So I'm on the rebuilding process now, peeps. Now the pathway, it's pretty much gone. There's a big slope now, a big hill. See? Put the fork down. Heading down. And there's wifey coming down with me. Getting all the help that I can get. So the river is taking in a lot of water, peeps. But it's passable. Right here is kind of mucky, murky. We used to be up here. And we're down here. Give thanks to the peeps, it could be worse, you know. The river is in a lot of water, peeps. So here we go now, peeps. This is what the farm is looking like still. The water part. We're gonna head over now. See if we can get some work done. Burn some land or something. Kind of motivate ourselves to get back on track. That's the whole focus right now, peeps. So the farmers are out, peeps. Trying to recover. This is some pop chai here. Cabbage nurseries are gone. Over there the farm, peeps. I'm not even going to look over there for now. Andre, come on, man. Okay, that's good. And the farmer clean up his place, ready to plant again. Heading over to my side now, peeps. Now the pumpkin farm is a total loss, peeps. As you can see where the water walked right here. Go over there. We're gonna burn all this land right here. Put some more pumpkin in it. Should have the water residue. All of here, peeps, was underwater. Now this farmer has already weed his land and kind of plow it, turn the land. He lost a lot of cabbage, cucumber and lettuce right here. Now I know that I have pumpkins in here. The young plants, because we reaped a lot out of it already. But I'm just going to do what I can do, peeps. Because remember, don't have any manpower now. We have to conserve the little money that we have now to carry out other things, other duties. So I'm going to, you know, I'm always working on my farm. So I'm going to put in some work now, peeps. And burn some land. And see if I can, you know, get stuff together. Alright. So here I am, peeps, and I'm pretty much at the ginger farm, and as you can see, very disappointing. The ginger has dried up. When I check the roots are rotting. So right here had a lot of water because of the storm. and it pretty much killed the ginger. This is a total loss right here. This side of the ginger. Water did run off properly. Still have hope though. 1 and 2 little plants. I am seeing something biting up the ginger. I don't know what that is as yet. Seems to be some form of fungus it has. Now when you see things like this, peeps, you're not motivated to spend any more money on the crop, because 3/4 of it died. Pretty much all of this bed right here died. See? All this bed. Now there are 2 beds. One on the top right here, another one that goes all the way down. This bed is also gone, pretty much. See? So this is what is going on the ginger farm, peeps. All down here, gone. Whew. Think I might have to drop seed some lettuce, people, right up here. Now, right on this little plot right here was the last one that I planted. I'm gonna lift up this plant tree right here, cut them up. I'm seeing it is sprouting up right here, sprouting up nicely. Some of them are dry. I think I may have to dig a deeper trench, peeps, to accommodate the water. Now over here, peeps, oh my gosh, thank God. Over here is not so bad. Down there, gone. But over this side, there is still some hope. Up where wife is too, still a little bit of hope. I don't even want to walk through this ginger right here, peeps, to give it any fungus. So I give thanks for what I have left. So what I'm going to pretty much do, peeps, I'm going to run some herbicide on the bush right here to accommodate some pumpkin. Remember, I don't have any manpower now. One of the easiest thing to plant is pumpkin. You don't have to have any manpower. Easy to take care of. Very heavy crop. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run some herbicide here to accommodate some pumpkin. Now I'd started to spray this land right here with the herbicide, but I just didn't get to do it. The storm came. So right here, as you can see, the herbicide was taking its toll very nicely. But then because of the storm, I didn't get to come over here, and it's very thick now. So I'm just going to run through it real quick with some herbicide and make some holes to accommodate pumpkins. So stick around, peeps, and I'll see you in a little bit. So here we are again now, peeps. This is the cabbage nursery, the one that I showed you the other day. Now it's totally on the bush. The grass are growing so fast. My wifey and I, we are here, and we're going to ensure that we weed out this and plant as many as possible. What we're going to do now, I started burning the bush over there, as you can see, but that was before the storm. I'm going to continue burning and make some holes to accommodate this cabbage right around here. Alright, see, I started burning it, and then the storm came, and this is what happened. So man, I come and work. So man. So yes, peeps, we are out here, and I'm going to do some burning. So stay along and watch as I do some burning. So here I go now, peeps. I'm going to burn some land. You can watch when I do so. Very windy day, so I'm holding the nozzle very low. No man, I go away. peeps, just trying to get this land burned to accommodate those cabbage. Someone is here, giving us a hand, cleaning out the nursery. So yes peeps, we're on the recovery mode right now peeps. Every farmer is trying to recover from what's happened. So you see this banana walk was cleared by Soundman, see, cut them down, and if you look carefully you see that they started to spring after 2 weeks of hurricane. Look, I cut down the bananas. They're springing up already. Look right there peeps, look good. See that? Bananas start to show some sign of springing, see? That's a good look peeps, very good look. So yes peeps, just going through what has been damaged. Yeah man, I just show Mr. What man. Good man. Alright. So yeah peeps, banana patch. Or should I say the banana walk. It's kinda rough and rugged. So peeps, the smell of the river and the rotten crops, the scent is high over here. But give thanks always. So we're recovering. I want to take this time out to shout out to all the farmers in Jamaica who lost things. Whether they're from St. Ann, St. Mary, Trelawney, St. Elizabeth, Manchester, St. Thomas, Westmoreland, you name it, Hanover. I know how it is, I know the pain that you are going through right now. Just never give up hope though, never give up. This should encourage us to work harder and smarter. Alright? So that's what we're pretty much doing, working harder and smarter. So with all that said, remember to walk good, love your parents, love your neighbors. Gossip is a broke people's sport, and Fruitsfidiyutes say, bless up.